to us figuring out MS?
Blindness, neuropathy, arrhythmia, anything else we did. What exactly did my team do?
Look good in their lab coats. Except for Tal. Some people just work better alone, so to speak.
Now that I'm gonna take a break.